Hey everyone, this is Sahar with another craft. Today we are quilling pumpkins. I love this craft for fall. I think it's really simple and it looks really great. Here's how we do it. So I'm going to start with some construction paper, a toothbrush, and some paint, and I'm just going to scoop it up. And you want to flick the toothbrush towards you and angle your brush towards the paper and just start flicking the paint. It helps sometimes to wet your toothbrush before you start using it. I'm also going to be using a ruler, pencil, eraser, some chalk, and some other colored construction paper. So once the paint has dried, you can start sketching your pumpkin. I like to use chalk. It's very easy. You can erase it and just sketch it until it looks how you like. Next, you're going to take construction paper and cut it into strips. I'm using old recycled folders, but you can use whatever you like. Next, you can use a glue gun to hot glue the strips down. You can trim your card down to however long you need it. You can also test it out by measuring it first before you glue it down. And just keep going. I'm going to take 3 small strips of green paper to hot glue the top of the pumpkin. Now I'm going to prep my paper strips for quilling. You can use a ruler if you want for this part, but I'm just going to free cut it. So now is the fun part. We get to start quilling. So next you can use a pencil and you want to wrap the paper around it as tightly as you can. And then use liquid glue to glue it down. I'm going to do that again. You want to take pencil, or you can use a skewer if you like, and just wrap your paper as tightly as you can. You'll notice the more that you do, the easier it will become, and just keep repeating the process. I found that when I rolled the paper towards me, that was easier for me, but you can do what's best for you. If you have large gaps, you can fill them in with more paper rolls if you like. For the stem, you can pinch the ends to give it a square or rectangular effect. So now with some chalk, I'm just going to add some final details. And that's how you make a quilled pumpkin. If you like this video, like and subscribe. You can support me on my Patreon, and I will see you in the next video.